passion fruit Hollywood star martini, yeah?
What's that? Simple syrup.
Hollywood star, yeah. Passion fruit puree. Vanilla vodka.
Vanilla vodka.
Passoir liqueur, passion fruit liqueur.
Passion fruit liqueur. Okay, gotcha.
Glass of good wine glass champagne. For your friend, this one.
Okay.
And me, in the shaker. The best now, behind me. Yeah. That was just This is for your friend, Hollywood star martini, yeah?
I don't know.
Now your drink. Friend 75 in my way.
Okay. Quite possibly.
Lemon sour.
I had it yesterday and it was delicious. Wait.
Sugar syrup.
Experience.
That's the same one, is it?
Yeah.
That looks a bit like the cocktail of the day. I had that, was very nice.
It's a mixed fruit, orange, lemon,
Yes, that was the one.
cucumber, blueberry, raspberry. It's not easy drink, darling. In England, you order this drink, $50. Easy.
Really?
It's already paid for it on the ship.
40, 50 pounds, yeah?
Pounds. It's in England, not dollars.
Wow.
Wow.
Not it.
It's not done yet. Wait.
Not quite it. The fruit salad.
You're getting a special drink here. A lot of ice.
Maybe alcoholic. Fruit is healthy for you.
Afzal, you are a bartender extraordinaire, darling.
The line your drinks up and have him stand behind them.
And it's called a French 75, but it's his version. A French 75, your version?
75, you can say that.
Yeah. Thank you.
All done, huh?
2 at once.
All done.
Margaret and I like double gun. Now that's a drink with flair.
Yeah.
And what's Margaret's drink?
Bombay's
In Bombay Sapphire Martini.
And what's mine? It's a
You are having 007 running.
007. How
If you
exotic.
like olive, you can have it.
Ah,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Maybe they're even 15. But here, because it's
Right.
only Tuesday, you can have something that you don't like it, you can give it away.
She has to watch him creating.
We use passion fruit puree.
Woo!
That could be dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous. You're gonna love that. This is the one of the beautiful cocktail. Very funny and crazy name, but that was not appropriate for us. We changed the name.
Okay.
So why it was not appropriate?
Too sophisticated.
Maybe simple syrup,
Yes.
Oh, yeah, not too much.
a little bit more for my taste.
Okay.
And we use
it
vanilla
audio?
vodka. Vanilla vodka,
Absolute.
fruit vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay.
Passion fruit passoa liqueur from Brazil. Huh? Right.
I can't believe this is not going to be sweet.
This is me.
Afzal, you're a genius.
So you shake it so the eyes goes down, the broken eyes.
Okay.
And then you get glass of champagne on the side. Why that? So each time you sip is a heavy cocktail and it's clean your palate. So you sip the cocktail one sip and the second sip the champagne and it's clean, then your palate is again ready to taste something.
Okay, I can handle
The
that.
drink was called, it's not appropriate for us. When the drink was created, it's called Porn Star Martini, but we changed to Hollywood Star Martini. So it's called on Crystal Cruises Hollywood Star Martini. Enjoy, my friend.
I think I need to take you home with me.
Might I go?
Hey, so have a sip.
Yes, enjoy.
So it's
As
like
we say in Sweden, oh, it's very fruity.
I now have a sip of champagne.
Wonderful. Raspberry liqueur, Amsterdam vodka, snaps. This is very intricate.
I'm shaking, yeah? Peach puree.
What is that you're putting in?
Peach puree.
Peach puree. Oh, this is an intense drink.
3 spoons. I like 3. A little bit more. This is the best part. Look at that.
Bellini Tini.
There is something missing.
Oh.
Prosecco.
Prosecco. Oh, this is lovely.
And then I'm shaking it still.
In spite of it all, you're doing a great job.
Let's go.
Ah.
Don't push too much. Ready to drink.
Grazie.
Thank you. This one get limoncello, which they make in Sorrento, Prosecco, and touch of soda water and lemon slice, and the straw and the glass and the bartender, and you're gonna.
And the handsome bartender.
Take as a compliment.
You are making me
Jade Martini, yeah.
Jade Martini.
Beautiful Jade Martini.
Work your magic.
Who created? Nobody knows. I can make it a story if you want.
Okay, lime juice and vanilla vodka. Vanilla vodka?
Yeah, flavored vodka.
Vanilla flavored vodka.
Midori melon liqueur
Midori
from Japan.
from Japan. I'm getting some interference here.
Man down, man down.
Yeah.
Move over.
And me. Up and down, 21 times. Smells good. Tastes good also. Look at that.
Oh, look at the color. Oh my
Look at that, all
goodness.
the way top to bottom.
That looks amazing.
See. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this garnish. How it goes.
Afzal, that looks fabulous.
Beautiful. Enjoy.
You are a creator of cocktails. Thank you.
This is not my creation. Mine is Karma Chameleon, La Riviera.
Hi everybody, I am in the Crystal Cove and I am having what?
Ginger Cosmo.
Oh, ginger cosmopolitan. And your first name is?
My name is Vesna. I'm from Bosnia.
Ah, thank you. And so what goes in this?
So Afzal citron, triple sec, cranberry juice, ginger, syrup, and squeeze of lime. A little bit ice and a little bit shake.
Thank goodness it's so late in the day. It's like 6 or 7, right?
Here we go.
Oh, that looks lovely. So nice. And I bet it's tasty. Thank you.